Ito nga guys, I'm very excited dito sa product na i-unbox ko ngayon. But before that, hello guys and welcome to this channel, Carlo Calijuete Arts. And if you are new on this channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para sa mga updates on our videos. Sa video natin ngayon, we will unbox and try this 3D printing pen I bought online. Marami na kasi akong nakikitang video about this, so I decided to try one. Inside the box, meron tayong 3D pen, pen holder, yung silicone protection para sa daliri, power cord, manual at saka yung filament. Dun sa pen, meron kayong makikitang several buttons para dun sa power, speed at saka heat setup. Yung cord naman nakasama dun sa product, if you can notice, ay wala siyang kasamang adapter, but you can use your CP charger adapter para dito. Ito namang finger protector is made of silicone, but it's too tight, kaya masakit siya sa daliri, so I decided not to use it anymore. Dito sa pen, may switch siya on the side for power and to control the flow of the filament. Yung filament naman, yun yung pinakabala ng 3D pen natin. Sa upper part ng pen, meron kayo makikitang maliit na screen na may button to set kung PLA or ABS yung filament na gagamitin nyo. Control din ito for the adjustment of the temperature. Now, gagamit tayo ng PLA as filament. PLA stands for polylactic acid, which is a plant-based material. Kaya hindi amoy plastic kapag tinutunaw siya ng pen. To insert the filament, syempre kailangan mo nang iset yung temperature. Kapag na-achieve na yung desired temperature, yung orange light will turn green. Tapos, tsaka nyo palang pwedeng i-feed yung PLA doon sa pen natin. Kapag bagong lagay lang yung filament, you have to wait for the pen to melt it bago siya mag-flow. Chinek ko yung output material niya and talagang parang solid plastic yung texture niya tsaka yung durability niya. Medyo mabilis yung discharge ng filament dun sa nozzle niya. Pero kung gusto mong bagalan, meron naman siyang speed adjustment button. Mas mabilis matuyo yung PLA compare sa glue stick. Hindi rin siya ganun kainit kaya mahahawakan mo agad siya right after lumabas siya dun sa nozzle ng pen natin. If you want to create images and figures using this, marami na ngayon sa internet na patterns that you can download. Yung source pala nitong ginamit ko na pattern is on the description below. I started tracing the pattern. I had to plan prior to this kung saan mag-start at kung saan dadaan yung pen para hindi na kailangan magpabalik-balik. Kasi ang tendency, kakapal siya kapag pabalik-balik yung yung stroke mo. Pero kung gusto mo talaga maging matibay yung output, kailangan mong pakapalin at saka gawing consistent yung amount ng filament. So dahil nag-start pa lang tayo, itong snowflakes na ginawa ko, may mga connections siya na nag-iwa-hiwalay and may mga area na hindi nalagyan ng filament. So that is what we try to avoid dito sa pangalawa kong ginawa. Dito sa pangalawang figure, I have to change the camera angle para mas makita nyo. Alam nyo naman, kaliwete tayo. At this point, medyo nagagamay ko na yung paggamit niya, so mas stable na yung stroke ng filament natin. So generally, kapag natuyo na siya, it will give you a hard plastic quality. But the texture, talagang rough yung kalalabasan niya dahil dun sa stroke ng pen. But there are ways kung paano siya magiging smooth, and yun yung itatry natin sa mga susunod natin pang mga video. Ito na yung output natin, but I decided to try coloring it to see if it is workable with other media. I used my Berkeley acrylic paint and ito yung naging final appearance niya. Napaka-user and child-friendly nitong product na to. It is advisable na gamitin ito ng 14 years old and above. Let me end my video here. Just don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook account. Bye guys!